5 days. Just 5 days. You went from being another man in Jaehaerys court to the second most powerful man in the realm. You are the man that taught me how to be king.
I've been a piece that you moved about the board.
If that is true, then I made you Queen of the Seven Kingdoms. The gods have yet to make a man who lacks the patience for absolute power your grace.